Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Meghalaya u Konrad ke Sangma kasni palai ulaong ba ke Sorkar kan satmu yikilat kilenti banwan ra ya ke jing sngotu halor ke jung Meghalaya Age. Menteri Rangba ula penbenai kini ha ke program ya keren bakinong yo jing mentoy na ke CM Elevate bat fokus ke balalong hasil long ba laya shimbenta de ki district bat ki blok baper na keleng ke Jilla. Menteri Rangba ke Jilla haringkat ke Menteri Ketenat Rep ke Riang ke Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo bat ke Menteri Ketenat Rimrat ke Kong A.L. Heng kila penher lama yongru ya ki kali jengok kai perthai ki belasya sanction hapo ke CM Elevate. Ya kini ke jingerap laai jingmut da uwe unong seng kam seng jam na ke shnong maumlu East Castles ula ong baya ke jung Meghalaya laya kren ha ke perthai da ki restart kendo bat kanong ke babiang ki paidbah bantip shaphang jongka. Ya ki 1,000 ars pak snem balalit no lakhen da ke Sorkar kum ke jung Meghalaya. Ke bapen i ke por ke bakerpang ha ke history jong ke perthai. Kinong wat benya ki pen i ya ke jing sedang jong kani ke jung sya ke jing kerdu ke bajur ke bala penjot ya ki riti dustur hindai. Ki Menteri Rangba kila terwa ya ki jing temu baper ban pynsngewthuh paidbah kentup ya ke jing penmi ya ke plim bala bu jing tho ke bala ban wat benya ya ki jing patai start sayan ki badan syadin jong ki jing shisha ba kongsan jong ke geology. Kani ke film kan longkum ke atiar ke ba penki minsim ban hi kai ya ki paidbah shaphang ke jing don kam jong ke kendo jong ke juk Meghalaya. Ula pentip ru baki don ki skim kum ka CM Elevate ka badon ni ka benta jong ke ram ki bala penya so ling ba ki bang baper. Ka CM Elevate ka ai jing yarap hadu nyopho person na ka jing lut jing sep baro ha ka project. Halor ka jing e ka baya day ba ka jing pen yaso ya ki yo Menteri Rangba ula ong ba ke Sorkar kelabar kti ya ki nong rep hendai ki don ki jing e. Kum ke Sorkar ngi wan rak lang ya ki nong rep ban ilas dang ya ki jing yarap habaru o ki kerdan. Ban yarap ya ki nong rep bat ban kentiu ya ke rep keriang bat ki kam ki biya day ba kani ke Sorkar kelas dang ya ki katu kat ni ki jing yarap. Kuntup ya ke jing seng ya ki jaka pen kre ya ki mar bala pen kiudor bat ke jing temu ban seng ya palat chispa atli ki yo jong ki nong rep. Ngi persyang ban penti kena bangila ban kersya ni ginong rep berkinong sengkam haki kerdan baper. Kat baya day bekajing ya day. Bat ki yau ki han ngi penbiang ya kalet kawan ning baki kali agri syajak na ispa kan nyaw ban bu ya ki jaka pentrekam. Bat ban penya so ya ginong rep syaki yau ki han ula benram. Haki ni ke program na sam ya ki check syaki nong yo jimentoy na ke scheme focus bat CM Elevate.
I have clarified this in the past also, and I'm clarifying it again, that this particular amount is not a loan. This 5,000 rupees that we are giving through focus, other programs have other, systems, but the focus scheme is not a loan scheme. Focus is a grant and a subsidy which we give to our producer groups, and you do not have to repay it back. I want to make it very clear. So please don't have any doubts. There are people who will try to make things complicated and confuse our farmers. For whatever reason, we don't understand. When good is being done, they should support, but in turn they're trying to confuse our people. So therefore, please don't believe that. This is not a loan, and this is a grant and a subsidy, and you will not have to repay back the focus amount. Karohil suni tentang blok pramoni dalon singko ya programo join ka kapap belakang ni ka sar pingram dasyo sini peninsula blok ni berbeng saksa ingat sen ya fokus ni tangkara loan ma maina baka mandirangan haida makhang si kode ya scheme puchkara jawa aro bakura jawa ani sabarang de chansinga maina baka mandirangan loan ini chansinga. Uniga mananga ya Sorkar ay digita talat na skinga, aruna isma sakanti na ngawiyat na skinga. At singi focus program ni scheme de loan ongcha. Focus program de grant aro subsidy sa. Ya tangka pesarang ko na isimang chutpuna ng Jawa. Aro yung tatsyo akana kata ya scheme ko government as a subsidy or as a grant na isimang na kaasay, na isimang ni kamrang na isimang ni group ni kamrang na singa ya tangka pesarang ko singa uninga. Uniga man Saubar ipay mong nasimang na ya katarang ko akan na badunga, hindi ba nasimang kaasapay ako bibirak nabi. Lalo ya programo, block ko ni, tentang constituency, tentang district ramo ni memberang, lalo online join ka. Unig man lang namin kusyo ka, ay dadakpa program ko, kangapat sang na, at ni Meghalaya State dakpa program ko, dakpa skillo, at sin umatinga. Unig man nasimang ko magtela. Aro sini rebeko ba jia dalo da show ya question ko skatsen biku ba kan tang mansa ya Sorkar ayang bekelas ka
nakalang chonga ngamdan ni ay banong ngadan kawai kapag ay kublay ya Sorkar kapala penyo yengi ya kadika fon nakapata chungi kumki nongra.
For small things sometimes may look very small to rest of us, but for the farmer that particular moment is very important. If it goes away, then the whole year is wasted. So therefore, I'm very happy that we are ultimately.
Kapag pinalag na kaway ka office videos, office DC, tete, ka AAP ba niyo ikiting yaram? Kani amang ka, kaday.
The importance of this age has to be declared, has to be made aware to most of the people. Not even a single hoarding or a single billboard has been kept in maybe in one of the popular places like Police Bazaar, or maybe when you enter Meghalaya, right from, because I mean there's a pride of the country, there's a pride of the state or as a whole. I'm not talking just because I belong to this village and I belong because the cave it is in the particular village that I live in. But I think it is high time for us to understand the importance of the cave, because globally it is renowned, and since nothing has been done yet, and even also like a Meghalaya Age Day, where we know about Meghalaya Age Limited, but we don't have a Meghalaya Age Day. So I would like to suggest, sir, if you can look into these importance, or into the importance of the cave, and maybe have a few hoardings and maybe declare one of the day as a Meghalaya Age Day.
Your suggestions are excellent. In fact, I must really congratulate you for the suggestions. Apart from basic awareness and marketing, I think the entire idea of dedicating a certain period, a day or a week or something, or during the festival time, some space can be given. We can figure it out. So I will ask Tourism Department. We'll discuss more with you and your team to figure this out. But I think it's an excellent suggestion. Even one suggestion that come sometime back, which I could not share with the team, was regarding a documentary to be made on this in the entire Meghalaya Age. Like why? A lot of people have heard the word Meghalaya Age, but how did it happen and what is the science behind it? Many people don't know. So a small documentary on that would be something that also could be very interesting. But thank you so much. I think it's exactly for reasons like these that we want to interact with you, because we want these ideas and these suggestions.